So hello guys, in this video I will show you my first field test or my first test with the adjustable EndFed transformer. As you saw in the last video, I built a transformer box and added 4 banana sockets, and each of the sockets is tapping a different position, a different count of the windings. So I can choose between 2005 ohm in the end, 2222 ohm, 2450 ohm and 2689 ohm. I was thinking this can maybe help in my setup, because my setup is very low. The feeding the antenna is more or less at the ground, and maybe so I can adjust a little bit something, and I will show you the results. So first you will see the 53.7, 1 to 53.7, this is 2689 ohm. You see 1.47 SWR, 1.47. Then the next is the 49 position, and we have a SWR of 1.53, so it's getting a little bit worse. The next is 44.4, and we have a SWR of 1.63. So you see it's getting worse and worse. And the last position we have 1 to 40.1, and SWR is 1.74. So it's getting from 1.4 to 1.7. So next time I will increase the amount of windings. I will start with 1 to 49, and I will go always in 2 winding steps up. So 49 is 21 windings, then the next will be 23 windings, 25 and 27. This is what I will try next. I already prepared it because I saw 1 winding more gives me a 0.1 better SWR. So next time I will go in a step of 2 windings. Another thing what affects the SWR quite a lot is where you place the transformer. So if I have it directly under the feed point, I had 1.27. If I moved it a little bit further away, we have 1.48. So this effect seems like quite a lot. What you see next, I attached a counterpoise to the transformer. I had a blanket where 4 or 5 wires are sewed into it. I made this 1 or 2 years ago, can't remember, for another thing. And I used it as a counterpoise, but it had no effect. You see 1.5 SWR, and with or without, there was no change. The length of the used coax cable was about 7 meters long, and you should lay it out as much as possible. If you roll it, if you not unroll it, this is not good. It's getting worse, the SWR. So this test was awesome for me because I saw I can affect the SWR a little bit with adjusting the transformer ratio. You see here also I used my built-in choke at the transceiver side. It was working also very good. No complaints here. So next on my list is cable management, because the most time, in my opinion, are tangled cables in the field. This is, in my opinion, a catastrophe. This needs to be solved. I don't understand why no one is selling spools where you can wind the coax cable or the antenna cable. And dipole versus EndFed, I still want to compare it. How much better is the dipole, or maybe even not? Can't believe that the dipole is not a little bit better, but who knows? Only the field test will show it. I don't trust some modeling on the computer. So this was it for today. Thanks for watching. Wish you all a nice day and see you next time. Thanks to Sigi. for the video footage, of course.